Presenting the HP DeskJet 3636 all-in-one wireless color printer that is suitable for regular use in homes and small offices. The printer has a space-saving, compact and sleek design that will fit even in tight spaces. The printer uses the Ink Advantage technology, which is designed to give you high-quality, affordable prints. With this all-in-one printer, you can print, scan, copy all your documents easily. It can print in both black and white and color. With a high print resolution, you get sharp and well-defined prints. The printer comes with USB and Wi-Fi connectivity. With the HP Smart app, the printer lets you scan and print from social media and the cloud virtually from anywhere. The HP DeskJet printer gives you a printing speed of up to 8.5 black and white pages and 6 color pages per minute. It supports multiple paper sizes for all your printing needs and comes with manual duplex printing function. The cost of printing per page is 1.4 rupees for black and white prints and 4.5 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink cartridge for this printer is HP 680 tricolor and black original ink cartridges. 1 unit each of both these cartridges come free with this printer. With this HP printer, you can also print borderless photos and flyers easily at home. The printer comes with a 60-sheet input tray and a 25-sheet output tray that allows for unattended printing. The display panel on the printer features simple icons for controlling print, scan and copy functions, making it easy to use. The printer also comes with a quiet mode that keeps noise to a minimum. This product comes with 1-year warranty. This printer comes with free installation by the brand. Check the product page for more details. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.